Welcome back to Techbox. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: flex fuel vehicles. If you're passionate about sustainable driving and reducing your carbon footprint, this one's for you. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any future updates. Let's get started. The advantages of flex fuel vehicles. There are several advantages to owning a flex fuel vehicle. First and foremost, they promote the use of renewable energy sources. Ethanol, one of the main alternative fuels used in FFVs, can be produced from various plant-based materials, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Automobile companies are working to bring flex fuel vehicles into India's automobile market. It is better to understand all about the environment-friendly flex fuel technology.
Flex fuel vehicles not only reduce greenhouse gas emissions but also contribute to local economies by supporting agricultural industries involved in ethanol production.
The infrastructure. Now, some of you might be wondering about the availability of alternative fuels. Well, that's a valid concern. While the infrastructure for alternative fuels is continually growing, it's not as widespread as traditional gasoline stations.
However, with government incentives and increasing demand for sustainable options, more and more ethanol and other alternative fuel stations are popping up across the country. Cost and maintenance. Another significant advantage of flex fuel vehicles is that they are typically cost-effective. Ethanol, for instance, can be cheaper than gasoline, providing savings at the pump for drivers.
Let's talk about the impact on the environment. FFVs reduce carbon dioxide emissions, which play a significant role in climate change. By utilizing alternative fuels, we can make a real difference in preserving the environment for future generations. And that wraps up our video on flex fuel vehicles. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you want to be part of the movement toward greener transportation, consider investing in a flex fuel vehicle and supporting the expansion of alternative fuel infrastructure. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends who are interested in eco-friendly driving. As always, leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you.